Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. This is just a little demo of a few ways to position the wrist if you're having any wrist pain and doing some hand and knee or kind of plank position type yoga poses. Okay, so here is one that I love and I've been using a lot lately. So you're going to have the blocks underneath your hands, and depending on what you're doing, they might be shoulder width or apart. And you're going to drop the thumb off the inside edge of that. The other fingers are planted. You could even have the fingers curled off the edge. So that just makes it so the hand doesn't have to be super flat, and you can work with the joints of the thumb and the wrist in ways to make it more supportive. And from there, you can do the circles, you could do the alternate arm leg reach, you could even come into plank pose that way. All right, so that one I like because also the blocks, if you're using a foam one, give a little bit of sponge to it. So there's a little bit of give to it, whereas maybe the hard floor or even like a cork block might not, be that comfortable. All right, so that's that one. The other one that I've used for years is to roll up the end of the mat and place your palm on the mat, let your fingers drape off the edge. And then from there, again, you can do all of those similar poses. So allowing the wrist with just a little bit more of a down angle gives the wrist some more space, gives the thumb more space, and then your fingers don't have to be planted. So if you have any kind of restrictions in the palm, that can be really helpful. For years, I would get lots of palm tension from doing numerous down dogs and vinyasa flow, and this has really saved it. Okay, so that's that. And then of course, I always just recommend my students, if none of that's working, go ahead with the fist. It's gonna work in different ways. You're gonna be able to access, these different motions, even a plank pose, and then these alternate arm reaches. So definitely an option, maybe not for a long term or long time, but definitely could still be an option. It's not a no-go zone. All right, so just wanted to throw those out there just as a reminder. Give your wrist a little break and make your practice accessible. All right, peace and see you next time.